In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve some common issues with Microsoft Teams. If you've ever found yourself dealing with display issues or Teams not functioning properly, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through several methods that can help. We'll start with adjusting your display settings, move on to repairing and resetting Microsoft Teams, and finish by uninstalling and reinstalling the application if necessary. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about managing your display settings, which could be affecting how Microsoft Teams appears on your screen. One quick way to improve this is by adjusting your display scale. Begin by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop. In the menu that appears, select the Display Settings option. A new window will open, and you'll want to scroll all the way down until you find the section labeled Scale. Here, change the setting to 125%. This often helps make everything appear sharper and more readable. If adjusting the display settings doesn't resolve the issue, there's another method we can try, and that's repairing and resetting the Teams application. To do this, head back to your computer's home screen or desktop, open the search bar and type in Microsoft Teams. Once you see Microsoft Teams in the search results, right-click on it and select App Settings. A new window will open and you'll need to scroll all the way down until you find the Reset section. Start by clicking on Repair. This process might take a moment as the system works to resolve any internal glitches. Once the repair process is complete, click on Reset to reset Microsoft Teams to its default settings. If Teams still isn't functioning as expected, don't worry, we have a couple of more steps to try. Head to the search bar again, but this time search for Run. In the Run dialog box, type the command %appdata% and then press Enter. This command takes you to the hidden application data files on your computer. Here, navigate to the Microsoft folder and find the Teams folder. Right-click on it and choose Delete. After that's done, go to the App Data root folder by clicking App Data in the address bar at the top. Then click on Local. Scroll all the way down to find the Packages folder. In this folder, search for MS Teams, right-click, and delete it. Doing this clears any cached, potentially problematic data stored in these folders. Finally, if these methods haven't resolved the issue, we can proceed by uninstalling and reinstalling Microsoft Teams. To achieve this, begin by searching for Settings in the search bar, and once there, click Settings. Navigate to Apps, and then Installed Apps. Search for Microsoft Teams within the Installed Applications list. Click on the three dots next to Teams and choose Uninstall. Once uninstalled, make sure to reinstall the app from the official website or your organization's software center for a fresh start. Each one of these methods serves a different purpose, so take your time with each step and you should find Microsoft Teams running smoothly again in no time. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.